24info.com. Balancing your intimate health isn't easy. Your period or soap can tip your pH, causing odor and discomfort. Don't just.
I am Jake D. Handyman and Locksmith Man.
And go to work immediately. Refresh. Keep your intimate health in balance.
You owned your car for 4 years. You named it Brad. You loved Brad. And then you totaled him.
That's my key machine right there, the laser cut. Laser Pro.
3 jobs, you're like, nothing.
3D Laser Pro.
Then Liberty Mutual calls. And you break into your happy dance.
If you sign up for better car replacement, we'll pay for a car that's a model year newer with 15,000 fewer miles than your old one. See car insurance in a whole new light. Liberty Mutual Insurance. Time is running out to enjoy Olive Garden's 2 for $25. Now with more new dishes than ever before. Like chicken fettuccine and creamy citrus Alfredo sauce. Plus dessert and unlimited salad and breadsticks. 2 for $25. Get it before it's gone at Olive Garden. People laugh about having gas.
Bicycle.
It's funny.
Handyman stuff. All my handyman stuff. Look at that saw. See that chainsaw.
In a colostomy bag. If that happens to you,
Ladder. Handyman stuff. Exercise stuff. Raincoat. Radio. Key Pro machine. Fax machine. In here looking at the Gold Whisperer. Been on a lot of calls. Been on some locksmith calls. Been on some handyman calls. Today is June 24th, 2015. June 24th, 2015. I am Jake D. Handyman and Locksmith Man. Jake Morgan. JakeMorgan. Better known as GIP. GIP. Daddy last name Gibson. GIPSON. Jake Gibson Morgan. Go outside, see what's going on. Go outside, see what's going on. Go outside, see what's going on. You know, see what's going on, Jake. Locksmith. I am Jake Locksmith Man. I am Jake. Look at my snake. See old snake right there? There go me. And Jake. There I go. Locksmith Man clowning. Waiting on them phone calls. Yeah, I like playing sports and stuff. Basketball, football, it doesn't matter. I got that basketball. I got that football. I got that basketball. I got that football. Let's get down. You get down with the locksmith man, the handyman, Jake D handyman and locksmith man. We can get down. We can do it. We can do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Jake the locksmith man, Jake the handyman, Jake partying, Jake getting down, Jake doing what he want to do, being happy about it, you know. Let's be happy. Let's do it. Let's get down. Let's run. Let's make it happen. Come on. Let's do it. I am Jake.